For millennia we thought death was absolute, the final heartbeat, the last breath, the silent, irreversible end. But in the shadows between life and death, something extraordinary happens. Long after the lights go out, some cells keep going. They move, they organize, they build. Meet the Anthrobot, a living, moving construct, built entirely from human cells. No metal, no microchips, just biology, reimagined. It begins with a single airway cell, taken from the human trachea. This is a cell designed for a very specific job, to keep our lungs clean, sweeping away dust and pathogens with microscopic cilia. But when it's removed from the body, and placed into a new environment, it remembers other possibilities. In the lab, scientists give it freedom. Suspended in a supportive gel, nourished with the right signals. Over days it divides, forming a hollow sphere. And then, something remarkable. The cilia turn outward, and the sphere comes alive with movement. These cilia beat in coordinated waves, not to clear airways but to explore, to swim, to drift. Some are small, darting forward in straight, rapid bursts. Others are large and slow, spiraling gracefully. A few spin in place, stirring their surroundings. Shape and motion, dictated entirely by how the cells arrange themselves. No blueprint, no guiding hand. In another part of the lab, a network of human neurons lies under the microscope. Delicate tendrils reach and connect, until a wound tears them apart, leaving an empty gap. On their own, they cannot cross it. The network is broken. Enter the Anthrobots. Drawn to the wound's edges, they cluster, single units joining into superbots. They form a bridge of living tissue over the gap. Beneath them, the impossible happens. Neurons begin to grow again. Axons extend, finding new paths. Within days, the wound is closed. The network made whole once more. And yet, the mystery deepens. When scientists study the Anthrobots at the genetic level, they find more than motion. They find time running backwards. Over 9,000 genes change their activity. Ancient developmental programs, usually silent in adult cells, switch back on. And in the epigenetic clock that marks a cell's biological age, time rewinds. These cells, taken from a 25-year-old donor, now read as barely 19. No genetic engineering, no chemical reprogramming, just a change of environment and a freedom to self-organize. What does this mean for us? It could mean new ways to heal, repairing spinal injuries, rebuilding heart tissue, regenerating organs from a patient's own cells. It could mean safer, biodegradable machines that work with the body instead of against it. And it forces us to rethink the line between life and death. Because here, in the third state, after the organism is gone, but before the cells give up, a spark of agency still remains. In this fragile twilight, cells remember how to grow, how to move, how to create, and maybe, just maybe, how to save us.